Sail all the canyons and up to the stars. Reach for the heavens and hope for the future. And all that we can be and not what we are.
When the road is long and I feel I can't go on, will you carry me? When I'm smiling at the world and inside I'm dying, will you carry me? If I'm face down on the ground, being kicked by the world, if I'm judged for who I am by the colors in my skin, will I stand on my own? Will you carry me?
When I'm too weak to crawl, will you please hold my hand? Will you carry me?
When I can't find the reason to keep on trying, will you carry me? And when I'm down and out and I've lost all hope, will you carry me? There's a storm coming on and the sky is gray. If I start to drown and all hope gets washed away, how many footprints will I find? Will you carry me?
When I'm too blind to see, will you please set me free? When there's nothing but pain and no one can see, when I'm scared and alone, will you set me free? Will you carry me?
It's more life than just what we see. So much more than just who we think we are. Sometimes we all need a hand.
When I'm too blind to see, will you please set me free? When there's nothing but pain and no one can see, when I'm scared and alone,